This is our home, but instead of cherishing it, we are destroying it bit by bit. 38,000 metric tons of waste are being discharged on a daily basis. Waste separation and recycling rates are only at 24%, while the remaining 76% goes to the landfill. An average car mat doesn't last long, and it takes approximately 450 years for it to decompose. But some of us are trying to make a change, and we at Trapo wanted to do the same by taking responsibility for our pollution footprint. Introducing the Trapo Eco. By using 68% of recycled materials from our recycled program, we help you to recycle your old car mat into a high-quality, durable, and completely new car mat. It has the same features, but greener. Trapo Eco, because we care for the environment.
Trapo, we trap all the worries for you.
For more information, please visit my.trapo.asia or follow our Facebook and Instagram page.